Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything we'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then straight into it, starting with GainX 1200. I I will be using the 15-minute time frame, and of course, I am also using a custom-made indicator on my chart called 3M Trend Milker Indicator. If you want to know more about it, you can reach out to me via WhatsApp. A few days ago, this actually started a downtrend right from here, and of course, it sold till it got to this support zone. Tried to go back on uptrend, but played around there for a while. Even tried to break out below the support zone. And this morning, I told you that this is. I mean, yesterday I told you that this is going fully on uptrend, and this morning I also gave you updates on it. And of course, as you can see, it has been buying since then, and definitely it has gone into this resistance zone. Okay, so we expect it to either break out from the resistance zone or probably switch from an uptrend into a downtrend. So as you can see, this has given us a downtrend signal and of course a sell signal. So we are most likely to have more selling opportunity right from there. Okay, so except if it breaks out from the resistance zone, that is when it will buy more. But if it does not, then definitely it's going to sell more. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so for now it is selling, but if it should break out below the resistance zone, then it's going to buy. Okay, so we should take note of that. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. This is GainX 999, and of course, just the way we have seen this has actually got into the resistance zone at this spot after switching from a downtrend into an uptrend around here. Okay, so right now it is at the resistance zone. Okay, and of course, if it should break out above it, it's still going to buy more. If it does not, it will switch into a downtrend, but for now it is still buying until that happens. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so let's take note of that. Let's take note of that. So the next asset is going to be Pnex 1200. Okay, Pnex 1200 coming. So for Pnex 1200, this had been an uptrend right from here. It's achieved all the TPs highlighted yesterday, and of course it is still buying right now, just the way we are seeing this. Okay, this is still buying at the moment. If it should break out above this resistance zone, it's going to buy more. Let me take it to 1 hour to see where it is heading to. Okay, so we can see this is where it is heading to. This particular red horizontal line is where it is heading to, and if it should break out from there, then definitely it should get to this region. So this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 999. This had been on downtrend right from here. Got to this region, had a pullback, and I told you this morning that if it should, that this is where it will be targeting because of the head and shoulder that we have here. Okay, and of course, if it should now break out from there, then it's going to sell more. Check it out, guys. It sold more and it achieved all the TPs. Okay, so that is an amazing opportunity right from here. So this is still selling right now until it is unable to break out from the next support region. Okay, next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. These have been on downtrend right from here, and it has been selling since then. It has got into this support region. It has not been able to break out from there. It's trying to go back into an uptrend, but let's see if it's just a pullback or probably may likely go back into an uptrend. As you can see, we still have more things to milk here, and this is the support region. If we should break out below the support region, it's going to sell more and may likely get to this particular spot. Okay, but if it should not, I mean, if it's unable to break out from this support region, then we should expect it to switch from a downtrend into an uptrend. But for now, it is still selling until it is unable to break out below the support region. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.